Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader who fought for the freedom of India from the British rule. He believed in the principle of non-violence and truth. He taught his followers to resist injustice and oppression peacefully, without harming anyone. One day, a young boy came to Gandhi and said, "Bapu, I have a problem. I am addicted to eating sugar. It is affecting my health and my teeth. Please help me to get rid of this habit." Gandhi smiled and said, "My dear child, I will help you, but you have to do something for me first. Come back to me after 2 weeks, and then I will tell you what to do." The boy agreed and left. He was curious about what Gandhi would ask him to do. He waited patiently for 2 weeks and then returned to Gandhi. He said, "Bapu, I have come back as you told me. Now please tell me how to stop eating sugar." Gandhi looked at him and said, "My dear child, now you have to stop eating sugar." The boy was puzzled and said, "But Bapu, why did you make me wait for 2 weeks? Why didn't you tell me this before?" Gandhi said, "Because 2 weeks ago, I was also addicted to eating sugar. I had to overcome my own habit first before I could advise you to do the same. How can I ask you to do something that I cannot do myself?" The boy was amazed by Gandhi's honesty and sincerity. He realized that Gandhi was not only a great leader but also a great teacher.
He learned a valuable lesson that day. One should practice what one preaches.
Thank you for watching this video.